petals off the flower. I know, blasphemous. But they've done their job. They're going to fall off either way, so kind of irrelevant now. So break off the 5 petals. Okay, now see on the top, you've got that tube. That's the gynandrium. So that's going to draw the pollen down into the ovaries in the stem. But the pollen is right in here, and this frilly labellum is blocking the pollen sac. So, this is a hack I learned from the Madagascar guys. I'm going to push the labellum down with the toothpick, and you're going to see the anther pop up out of the top. So now I've got access to it. The pollen sac is right here. But see this little flap under there? That's the valve, the rostellum. The opening to the tube is under that. So, tip of the toothpick, underneath the flap, I push up, and then I twist the toothpick clockwise, and see how it's pushing the pollen sac up and out? Yeah. You can there's a tiny little slit under the teeth. That's the opening to the tube. I can't get it in there. So I hold the rostellum with the toothpick, I line the pollen up just above the opening and behind the valve, and then I squeeze it as I would draw the toothpick. And I'm trying not to crush the bottom of the tube with my thumb. I'm just